Hello everyone, this is Chris from Senieer. Today we are going to continue our FAQ videos. The question for today is, how can we provide trainings to the operators, technicians and site engineers to handle the machine individually within a short time? During the installation of the equipment, we train machine operators and engineering personnel on site. The basic working principle of the equipment, the operation of the equipment, equipment maintenance technology, equipment failure analysis and troubleshooting, routine maintenance of the equipment, etc. Same thing needs to ensure that they can grasp the operating procedure as well. Firstly, we have the operation manual that they can read. Secondly, if they have questions they can ask, we can train them how to install the main tower, fix the main parts. After all installation, it will be commissioning. We can guide them how to produce drugs step by step. At the same time, train customers how to operate the machine and how to maintain them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe to our channel to get more content. Thanks.